our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has given us a very clear vision. The vision is translated so neatly into the PLI scheme that today, after many years, there is a significantly good, very stable, highly industry oriented scheme which is basically rewarding win-win for the industry, win-win for the country, win-win for the people who are working in those industries. It's a rare combination. So many times people have come with schemes where there is a half-hearted, sometimes there is a, okay, we are giving you this, but so many things are. Unlike all those schemes, I'm so glad that government's PLI scheme, both for telecom as well as for electronics, is very good. I would like to just make 2 points here. First point is about telecom. First time we are venturing into making our own 4G, 5G, and subsequently 6G stack. This is coming at a time when the industry is also going through a very big inflection point. And all of you know it more than me, that inflection point is the virtualization of entire telecom field. No longer will the telecom operating system, the core, the RAM, they will be married to the equipments. Equipments are equipments now, software is software. Whatever has happened in the rest of the electronics and IT industry is now happening in telecom. And we are taking the lead in it. We as a country are taking the lead in it. Our 5G stack will be the first virtualized 5G stack in the world. And that gives the huge advantage to all the friends sitting in this room. When we are manufacturing, now we can think of manufacturing at a different scale because the world will move towards virtualized code, world will move towards open RAN, world will move towards this entire telecom ecosystem where hardware is one part of it, software is another part of it, and because of the cost efficiencies that will come because of this, I can see a very near future scenario where our companies will be managing the telecom networks across the world. So, be a part of that journey. Be a part of that journey. That journey may not be so distant, and it's just around the corner. That if you miss the bus as a team in India, if you miss the bus, then we are missing the entire thing. This is the time to take that lead. So I request all of you to please plan, study it a bit more deeply, because the world then is not just the Indian telecom market. The world becomes the entire global telecom market. And the shift which happened from 4G to 5G took some time. But the shift that will happen subsequently will be much faster. Because now it's all software. Hardware will be like hardware, software will be the generation change. So that is the first point I thought we could share. The second point is, in Prime Minister Modi ji's vision, the entire ecosystem finds place. And that's not a small thing. Very few nations have been able to dream that big. Dreaming is one part, putting all those structures below the dream to make it successful. That effort is equally there. The results that you see 10 years back, 12 years, 15 years back, could anybody think that we'll be manufacturing mobile phones in India? Because we'll always remain a market. But you did all you did. The credit for putting the entire vision in place, putting the building blocks below that, the way whenever we go for our briefings to Prime Minister, the way the details in which he goes gives me so much tremendous confidence as an electronics engineer is phenomenal. The country will grow. The entire ecosystem. So just few weeks back, there was a meeting which was scheduled for 45 minutes, but he sat there for 2 hours, more than 2 hours, 2.5 hours almost 2 hours, 45 minutes. That is the depth in which Prime Minister. That advantage is a rare opportunity for the country. I request you to think really big. Think really big. This is the time to think that dream that dream which we all had when we were students. This is the time. I want to be an entrepreneur. I've always been an entrepreneurial mindset for a person. In second year itself, I started using whatever chips were available that time and doing the PCB and soldering and designing, and used to get that first book for electronics for you. EFI, EFI आता था, so started building from that. Then अपने आप से कुछ experiment करना, ये करना, वो करना. First I sold at least 300, 400 systems in colleges. And then came 8085. Oh, क्या excitement, I don't know. उस excitement को कोई feel कर सकता है, जो सारी भी कह रहे थे ना, दिन भर 48 घंटे. Hex में programming करनी है. And those were the, it was not natural language में तो करना नहीं, आपको English में करना नहीं programming. Programming in hex means one digit यहाँ से यहाँ हो गया और इतना मोटा कागज है, उसमें कहाँ एक गलती हो जाएगी एक डिजिट की, सिंगल डिजिट की, and the whole program goes for 6. ऐसा फोकस आता था, लेकिन कभी लगता ही नहीं था कि टाइम कहाँ चला गया. ऐसा मजा आता था. But when in fact, we made the first connected printer as a network printer. 7-8 PCs के साथ एक printer लग जाए. I think I must have sold about 40 units that time. All the units worked very well. So that time, people would come and see the product. They would say, "Yeah, India में नहीं हो सकता." People came from Bangalore, people came from upfront करके कोई UP की कंपनी थी. एक कोई 20 से नाम होता है, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. बैंगलोर से टर्मिनल्स बनाते थे, पहले डम टर्मिनल्स बनाते थे. क्या नाम? हाँ, VXL, राइट. वो आई थी कंपनी. ये प्रोडक्ट हम नेटवर्क प्रिंटर का प्रोडक्ट हम दुनिया भर में बेचते हैं. So that was the kind of, but then there was a whole set of people who said कि इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मत करो. जो समझदार है वो, I'm talking of 25 years back, 25 years back. इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मत करो. Because we had a system, और इस एक फ्रेंड ने बोला कि इतनी खुशी हुई इससे बोला था कि लाइसेंस में हम, आपने बोला ना, वापस रिपीट करो यार, ये बहुत मजेदार बात है यार.
That's right. So when we started, we had a license to make 10 million. My father-in-law started the business and he told me, don't make more than that, you will go to jail. Today we make 4 million per day. And I keep telling everybody that I will grow my hair back when we have 10 million per day.
आपने जब ये बोला यहाँ पे, एकदम अंदर से खुशी जो होती है ना, वो अंदर वाली खुशी. I felt really happy. एकदम मन में खुशी गदगद हो जाता है इंसान. ऐसा गंदा लाइसेंस आज था. I'm so glad that period is over. At least whatever bad days our generation saw should not be seen by the next generation. The youngsters who came, the division of wearables and so many other things. कम से कम वो पीरियड तो ओवर हो गया. लेकिन अब जो पीरियड चालू हुआ है, मोदी जी जिस तरह से कंप्लायंसेस के लिए हम सब के पीछे पड़े रहते हैं, सारी कंप्लायंसेस हटा ही देनी है. बिल्कुल सोचना नहीं कि इसको रिफॉर्म मत करो. अभी पिछले 1.5 साल, पौने 2 साल में करीब 15,000 compliances have been removed from the statute book. 1300 के आसपास कानून मोदी जी ने देश के स्टैट्यूट बुक से हटा दिए। उससे पहले क्या होता था, लॉ कमीशन की हमारी एक रिपोर्ट आती थी, हर 4 साल के बाद रिपोर्ट आती थी कि 5000 कानून ऐसे हैं जिसकी कोई आवश्यकता नहीं, इसको हटाया जाए। और भी वही 5000 1950 से चल रहा नंबर, किसी ने हटाने की हिम्मत ही नहीं की। This is the what I want to tell you is this is the time when things are actually happening. So make full use of this opportunity. Think big. Very open-minded setup that you see here. I have a bit of time constraint because of the 3 ministries together, but still come with an organized presentation as and when you want to. Always available, Mr. Jinka manages the calendar. So any time you come, any Friday you can plan it. I'm mostly on Fridays in electronics Niketan. Plan a detailed or a succinct, a very structured presentation. We are open to any ideas. We are open to every idea that comes from you is a good idea for us. You will never find us throwing any idea into the dustbin, throwing it under the window. You will find a team, all of us who are sitting here and all of us, many of us who are sitting in this side, you will find this team open to ideas, open to listening, open to experimenting, open to changing the way we do. But make good use of this opportunity. Look at the telecom sector. There will be some good, exciting things in the very near future. Wait for that and think big during this era. Thank you very much.